So we're going to talk about how we use synthetic division on this polynomial here. You can either write the polynomial how you see it at the very top there, or the version after there. And what we do to do synthetic division on this polynomial is in a little box or a corner, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put that -1 that's on the denominator there. Okay. Now when I place it inside there, I'm actually going to change the sign. So I'm going to change that negative, or that -1, to +1 there. Okay. And then the next thing we do is on the other side of our little box that we drew, we're just going to go ahead and put the coefficients and the constant of our polynomial that's on the numerator. Okay, so the first leading coefficient that we have is 3, so I'm going to go ahead and write 3 down. And then the next coefficient we have is -5, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down. And the last constant there, that's a 2, so +2, we'll just go ahead and put 2 down here. And then, once you get all your numbers written there, you'll want to draw a line. Okay. Oh, draw a line here. Now the very first thing you're going to do, after you get it all set up here, is you're going to bring down the first number. So we're just going to go ahead and bring down that 3 that we have there. So bring down the number 3. And we're going to take that 3 and we're going to multiply it by that 1 that we have in the box. So 3 times 1 is what? Well, 3. And where are we going to put that 3? Well, we're going to put it underneath the next number we have on top there. So we're going to put it underneath the -5. So I'm going to go ahead and place that 3 underneath the -5 there. So I have a 3 that's underneath the -5. And the operation that we do with synthetic division is we add. Okay? So we're going to add these things together. So -5 plus 3 would be what? Well, -5 plus 3 is a -2. Okay? And then we go ahead and take that -2 that we have. We do the same thing we did with the 3 before. We take -2 times the 1 in the box. -2 times 1 is -2 again. Okay? So we're going to place that -2 that we have underneath the next number there. So we have -2 underneath the next number. We add, and when we add there, we get 0. Okay, so this 0 at the end shows that we have a remainder of 0 when dividing this polynomial by this binomial. Well, how do we write our final answer? We just have numbers here. Well, I know my first leading number is going to be 3, okay? But what will the variable be? Well, take a look at our exponents here. The exponent for the leading term of the polynomial is 2. The exponent for the leading term on the binomial is 1. Okay? Technically, it's 1 there. If we subtract the 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we know we're just going to have a coefficient, or a variable there with our coefficient of just n to the first, or just n. Okay? And then you just go from that, you just go down in descending power. So we have 3n minus n to the 0 power is just 1, so we just have the -2. And that's our answer. Okay, that's our final answer there. All right.